Welcome, in front of me is an Honor X8 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we're gonna open up settings, and from here you wanna scroll down to storage and select your memory card and choose format. Now this will give you a quick message that all data currently stored on the memory card will be erased. To avoid losing data, back it up before continuing. So make a copy of it if you have anything that you don't want to get rid of. From there, you can proceed further by selecting erase and format. This will begin this process and it only takes a couple seconds to finish up. Should be right about done. There we go. So from there, all you need to do is click on OK and that's it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.